My name is Ross Hoffer. I'm Corporate Systems Manager and I work for Atkins, which is a global engineering design consultancy business. Very large presence in the UK and also across Middle East, India and Asia Pacific, and we're now part of the SNC Lavalin Group. Atkins was typically a manual expense business. Fill in a form and click an approval with a bit of workflow. There was no digitisation of receipts or anything like that. So since we've implemented SAP Concur, we started off with a 600-person business in the US, which was a bit of a prototyping for us. It was considered a raging success, and we're now at 50,000 employees worldwide. Concur has been really well received. I think if we look back at the business case as part of our implementation, it was really important that we recorded some tangible benefit. There were three key areas for us. There was VAT leakage, there's policy compliance, and then there is also the amount of bodies that we have in our business that were doing receipt checking, receipt matching and that sort of stuff. So within the first 6 weeks of having the audit services implemented, we managed to prevent $9,000 worth of duplicate flights that would have otherwise been processed. So that was a really good catch by the audit service. We've certainly reduced a significant amount of heads across the global business because we now do receipt and policy auditing through the Concur service. And in 2019 alone, just looking at VAT leakage, we're in the tens of thousands of pounds. So for us, it was definitely a value-added service to add on to the implementation. From my perspective, it's not just a customer-vendor relationship. They actually sit and listen to the challenges we have. And one of the things that I've really benefited from is kind of guidance and advice on best practice and how to operate within the various different markets. So to give you an example, we have a fairly complex travel allowance type process in our Scandinavia business. That was preventing the rollout of SAP Concur into that region. We flagged this very early with the product team, and within 6 to 8 weeks there was a solution on the table allowing us to push forward with our implementation. They genuinely seem interested and want to listen to where we have business challenges, and hopefully they can then come back to us and deliver even more value to our business.